Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I am here to unbox the January 2026 Beauty Heroes box. It's actually pretty late at night right now. It's very close to my bedtime, but it is January 2nd, and I have not seen a spoiler. The box came today, so it came a lot. It was supposed to come on the 7th, but it came on the 2nd, which is so cool. To get it so close to the first, and I haven't seen any spoilers at all, and I'm like, if I don't do this tonight, what is the likelihood I'm gonna make it through everything on Saturday and not see a spoiler? So I'm so excited because I don't know at all what's in here, which brand or anything, and that hasn't happened for a while. So I was thinking about who I would want it to be, like what brand, and who I wouldn't want it to be. I don't want it to be True Botanicals. I would be really excited if it was Blue Alchemy. I really like their boxes over time, so that would be cool. It seems like big products, so kind of makes me wonder if it's like body products. I don't think it would be hair because we just got Reverie. So anyways, let's just go for it instead of me blabbing on more about it since it's late at night when I'm filming. So maybe it'll be a new brand. We'll see. I'm gonna find out now. Audacity. Interesting. I can't remember if I've ever used anything from them, but I think they're pretty new to Beauty Heroes, if I remember correctly. All right, it says $172 value, and we have 3 products. All right, let's start with, one of them is a Hydra Firm body cream. So this makes sense because it's like a big box. Let me show you what it looked like when I opened it before I that's what it looked like. Very nice. All right, so we have C Nourish Hydra Firm Body Cream, vitamin C and E, and Kakadu. Okay, if I could open the box, it's 100, like I think I mentioned this, $172 value, 3 products. Let me talk to you about the body cream first. So it's 170 grams worth $52. It says more than a body cream, this is a full body reset. Rich, velvety, and designed to cocoon skin and lasting softness, it melts in instantly, offering deep comfort without a trace of heaviness. With each application, hydration feels smoother, fuller, smoother, and more complete. A dual source vitamin C infusion adds a revitalizing edge, helping skin appear brighter and more lifted, while botanical butters keep the moisture barrier feeling supported and supple. Ideal for daily use, it leaves the skin on the body radiant and noticeably more resilient, turning an ordinary step into an indulgent skin strengthening routine. Shea and mango butters, which lipid-rich moisture that softens and supports the barrier. This is definitely big. Dual source vitamin C, tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, and Kakadu plum for brightness and visible firmness. Squalane and vitamin E, lightweight hydration that replenishes essential lipids, and colloidal oatmeal, soothing comfort for dry, delicate, or compromised skin. So that's what this looks like. It didn't mention anything, I don't think, about the scent. So that is mystery. Ooh, I like when it does that. It's like, it seems very like nice, subtle. It looks really like the consistency looks nice. That's what it looks like. So not drippy at all. I'm gonna do a little bit on the top of my hand. Feels like a nice thick. I'm gonna definitely be putting that back on. But ooh, doesn't that just look, I don't know how much you can see, like it look the way it's like standing up like that, like it looks like whipped like souffle or something, you know? It does smell nice. It does seem to have like a, oh, it's nice. I like it. It's nice and it's like thick. My hands have been a bit dry, so my hands are gonna love that. I do think it's a little bit citrusy. It smells really, maybe like a little floral, a little citrusy, but moisturizes, absorbed right in. I'm definitely putting that back on, but yeah, this looks beautiful. I'm definitely excited to use this. It looks pretty nice for like right here in Massachusetts. We're in, of course, the winter, and it's like been pretty cold. We've gotten snow a few times already. I don't remember it snowing this early, like often. We've had a lot of cold weather. Today was in the 20s. Some of the nights have been like in the teens and stuff. So it has been cold. So that looks like a very beautiful lotion, and I think I will enjoy that immensely this month. Nice, very thick and beautiful. So that's that. Okay, let's move on to the next thing I see here. We see Edelweiss Extreme Bioactive Renew Supreme Cream, Peptides, and Carcinoine. Let's see what that says. All right, this is 50 milliliters for $78. This is the kind of cream you reach for when your skin needs more. I have noticed that I've had some dry skin on my forehead, and that only seems to happen in the winter. More nourishment, more resilience, more bounce. It wraps the complexion in a velvet soft layer of hydration that feels instantly comforting yet remarkably lightweight. Developed with cutting-edge biotechnology, it's designed to revive skin that feels depleted, dry, stressed, or out of balance. The texture is luxurious, the finish is beautifully refined, and the results speak for themselves. Restored radiance, newfound plumpness, and a complexion that feels stronger, smoother, and visibly more resilient day after day. It has Edelweiss Extreme Complex, and that seems to be like a registered phrase for them. Alpine flower extract, supporting resilience and renewal. P-peptides, firming actives that support elasticity and smoothness. Calendula and chamomile, botanical soothers that comfort sensitive, stressed skin. And carnosine, protective antioxidant that helps defend against signs of aging. All right, so we have a face cream. Oh, that's weird. It says, powered by our Edelweiss Extreme Complex, generated by AI. You know what? Artificial intelligence freaks me out in some ways. Actually, in a lot of ways. But anyways, that's a different conversation. It's interesting because it mentions AI farming. High performance beauty meets innovation, and there's a QR code. I don't think I've ever seen a QR code on my skincare box so far, so that will be interesting. I'm wondering if this is like a nice decadent rich face cream, because those can be gorgeous. That would be nice. I liked the consistency of that body cream. Ooh, is this one of these little pushy ones? So excited, look. Unless I'm missing something here, but let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wonder if I'm doing something wrong here. Oh, I'm gonna keep going. Yay, look at that. Came out. Ooh, fun. That is cool. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna do some on my face because it's nighttime, and why not? A very cool delivery system. So it seems nice. There is like a little scent to it, but I can't put my finger on it. Licorice, a little bit. Let's do another pump. Ooh, I like that delivery system. I wonder, like, as you get low though, like how, like I like to always get every last drip of my creams and potions and serums and everything. And I wonder, like, with a delivery system like that, how do you make sure you're getting it all out when it's time? Can you open up that kind of like apparatus and, you know, get out like all that doesn't go through that pump, you know? Definitely has a scent. I don't know about licorice or like menthol or something. I don't know. Something, it smells like something, but I'm not exactly sure what. But I like it. It's pleasant. Both of them have been like subtle but scented. Very nice. Cool, like pump. I've never used a product with that kind of pump, so that's pretty cool. Don't know about the whole AI thing, like what artificial intelligence had to do with making a face cream. That doesn't, I can't figure that one out yet, but hopefully we'll figure it out in time. Excuse me, sorry for yawning. Like I said, it's close to my bedtime. But I'm really glad I'm doing this. I was like, almost like, oh, maybe I shouldn't. And I was like, no, you have to. It's gonna be ruined tomorrow. You're gonna know which brand it is. Just do it. Okay. The last one we have is Montana Harvest Omega Oil Cleanser. So we got a face cleanser. So we have a face cleanser, a moisturizer, and a body moisturizer. Very cool. Hemp and sea buckthorn, it says. It does have a little thing here that I always have my scissors ready. to break into things while we're filming. All right, let's see what this says. All right, 100 milliliters, $48. The oil cleanser that makes washing your face feel quietly luxurious. It glides on with a silky aromatic richness, and thanks to omega-rich seed oils and a hint of uplifting botanicals, instantly loosens makeup, sunscreen, and the grime of modern life. As it transforms under your hands, it melts everything away without disturbing your skin's barrier integrity. The result is that rare balance. Thoroughly clean, yet perfectly cushioned, fresh, yet deeply comfortable. It resets skin in one effortless step, leaving it clearer, smoother, and more at ease. Once you use it, you'll never want to be without it. Hemp and safflower oils, omega-rich oils, dissolve impurities in free pores without stripping. Sea buckthorn, vitamin and antioxidant dense. Oil boosts clarity and supports healthy-looking skin. Sweet basil and lemongrass, aromatic botanicals uplift the senses and elevate the cleansing ritual. Olive squalene, lightweight, skin-identical moisture that softens and maintains barrier comfort. Massage 2 to 3 pumps on dry skin, focusing on areas of buildup. Wet fingers with water and spread across skin, creating a silky emulsion. Rinse with warm water or remove with damp cloth. I'm going to put a little on my hand so we can just get a little feel for it. Ooh, nice. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can't see it yet. There you go. Oh yeah, it said lemongrass. That makes sense. I smell it. I used lemongrass body soap one time all over my body and got like a major rash on a lot of my body. And I remember somebody was like, well, you're probably allergic to lemongrass, because it was like a lemongrass soap. So hopefully I'm not, considering this has lemongrass in it. I think I've used other things with lemongrass and I've been fine. So it could have just been like too scented or like perfumed or something for my skin. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yep, definitely smell the lemongrass. I forget what the other thing it said. Lemongrass. And where does it say lemongrass? Maybe it says it on the front of the box. Hemp and sea buckthorn. I did read. Oh, sweet basil and lemongrass. Blend to create a delightful aroma. Yeah, I can smell that lemongrass there. Okay, so anyways, it looks greasy here in person, but I'm not sure like from there. I'm not going to use the cleanser right now. I am getting ready for bed, and having that face moisturizer on is the perfect way for me to like finish my day. But I'll be excited to try the moisture, or cleanse my face and then use my other steps and then finish with this moisturizer. And then also I'm excited to like dip into this body moisturizer for like post shower, like moisture for my arms and legs and everything. I think it'll be good. So this is a very nice box. I don't think I've used anything from them. I've heard about them over the years, but I have never used anything from them. So that will be really cool. So we got the Audacity Sea Nourish Cream, Hydra Firm Body Cream. Trying to put the top back on. We got the Bioactive Renew Cream Supreme for your face. And then lastly, we got the Montana Harvest Omega Oil Cleanser for your face. So it'll be fun. Let's chat in the comments below. Leave me some feedback. Have you used this brand? Do you recognize any of these? What do you think about this box? Did you get the box? Did you not? Are you still a subscriber to Beauty Heroes? Would love to chat with you in the comments below. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it interesting, and click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. I definitely have other videos that I need to do, like finishing my project plan for 2025, starting my 2026 project plan. I've been working on those things, so I just need to find the time and motivation to film those and get them out, but I hope to get those out throughout January, and I look forward to chatting with you below. Happy New Year, and I hope you had wonderful holidays, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.